Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos, another unboxing. Again, Prime Week, I was a little bit out of control. And one of the things I saw was a monopod that I've been watching for a while, and the price had dropped over like, I think close to about 40% if I remember correctly. So, timing was right, sale was good, so I decided to go ahead and purchase it. And with that, we'll do the unboxing / first impressions. So big box, as you can see right there. Now the company's name, that's a little confusing for me. And let me turn it so you can read it the right way I'm reading it. I say it's Sirui, but I've heard other people pronounce it differently. But this is a company that I've had a couple of tripods in the past, good quality, never had any issues with it. I also have a couple monopods, but they're primarily iFootage. So this is my first monopod from Sirui, if I'm saying it correctly. If not, somebody will let me know. And this is the Sirui SVM-165 AM. It's a rapid system monopod carbon fiber. 165, which if I remember correct, 165 centimeters, which if I remember right is around 65 inches. So with that, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So in their documentation, they call it the rapid system. Even on the naming convention, what you see in front of them, in front of you. Now, when I was looking at this, I was like, right, really, why do I want to use this? And I think primarily if I'm shooting with my big lenses and or if I want to if I'm doing some type of recording while I'm on the road. Oh, this is very nice. Carrying strap for the case. Now this is a unique monopod because it also has the ability to, if you want to use that word, be a stable monopod in the sense of what you see the legs here. And again, this is very similar to the iFootage one. So as you can see, I guess we'll just start from the bottom. First thing you got right here is a rubber tip. So if you're using it as a monopod or if you're walking with it, but it also, if you turn this a certain way, you'll see the tip come out so that you're on ice or something like that, so you get some traction or so you can penetrate. It's got 3 legs. And it has the ability through this knob right here to be flexible. So now you start seeing the possibilities with that. And it gets better. This whole portion, if I remember correctly, if I pull down, I think it is. Oh, I push up. Now I can take that off. And now I have just a straight monopod like you see here. And then it snaps back in place. The key thing about this is the ability to go from locking to unlocking, which gives you the capability to expand up to 65 inches. And just like the bottom portion, which can be removable, the top part is removable also. See if I can remember where. Okay. And then the tip here can be mounted here, or if I remember correctly, you push in on this and you can remove it, and now you can go to a smaller head so that you could go at the bottom of a camera or put a tripod mount on there or monopod mount in there and then put it back in. Again, this is the locking portion. And as you can see, it goes all the way out to 165 centimeter or 65 inches. If you look here, you have leveling, so you can make sure that it's leveled when you're using it. And once you're done locking it up to a certain point, you can stop and then lock it back. And now you can see it's not moving. Or and lock it in place. So this is a quick unboxing, unbagging. Oh, if I remember correctly, let's see. Yep. This comes off right here. And this can be mounted on the head itself, as you can see right there. So if you're walking, you can use this as a stick. Or if you need to, you can put the point out if there's ice to get traction. So again, this is a Sirui. I'm not 100% sure, correct, I'm saying right. The Sirui SVM-165, 165 centimeter or 65 inches. It's roughly, I think, about 3.5 pounds. And the form factor is a little big, but again, it's a 3-section monopod. So it's not something that you're going to be backpacking with. Well, you could probably backpack with it, probably wouldn't travel with it, unless you put it inside your bags. Not sure how often I'm going to use this, but I think I can use this for my action cams when I need to. And or my Pocket 3, not my Pocket 3. See, my Pocket 3 camera. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow. Have a great day. Going to use this today. Thanks. See ya. Bye.